You're welcome to this particular training. This is a training on business website design, how to create a website for your business for free. All right, so this training I'm intending to teach you how to create a website for your business for free. All right, so in this particular website or this particular page, I'm going to guide you through on how you can design any type of website for your business, and you can also learn how to design website for clients as well. All right, so right here, if you visit this page, I'm going to drop a link. So when you click on the link, it's going to take you to this page right here. Now you can see here I said you're welcome to this practical hands-on training on how to design your business website for free. You also learn how to design websites for other business owners at the end of this free training and the likes, right? Then the next thing here says procedures for the training. Here I said below is a list of well-detailed training guide. Each point or number is summarized briefly, followed by a training link to visit, where you will have access to a well-detailed step-by-step practical video and articles to guide you to designing and managing your own business website for free. All right, right here, this is also a point. This is the title that is repeated here. Then right here, remember when we said procedures for the training, we said here that we have each point or number is summarized briefly, right? So you can see here we have point number 1. If you scroll down, you have point number 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, and each of the points has a button where you can click on to visit this particular training aspect. All right, so the first one here says introduction to WAM server. So right here you can see the brief summary of this particular point. It says WAM stands for Windows, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. With Apache, PHP, MySQL, and Myriad, you can build dynamic web applications using the Windows web development platform WAM server. Right now, after the whole summary, you are going to see this button here that says visit training page. All right, so each of the points, after reading through the summary, you can actually click on the button to visit that particular page, where you will see a well-detailed article and a well-detailed video, so you can practice along with the video. Right, so after reading the short summary or introduction, you can always click on the button. So we're going to click on the first point button right here. So we'll click on that. It's going to take us to the training page. All right, so the page is going to guide us on that particular first. We can see here we have an introduction to WAM server, how to download and install. So you can read through the article if you want to read through the article, but where I'm more particular about is the training video below right here. You can see right here, this is a very well explained video, so you can always follow up with this video right here. So if you click on the play here, it's going to guide you through on the introduction.
Alright, you're welcome to this section. In this section, I'll be introducing you to WAM server. But before we start the training fully, there are some things you need to do here. The first one here says create a folder for this training.
So you can see all of that right here. So this is actually going to guide you on how you can perform all of these points right here. Right, introduction to WAM server. So the first aspect of the video introduces you to WAM server, and also tells you that there are some things you need to do before you start the training. Right, so after practicalizing all of this that is said in the training video, you go back again. Remember, this is the page we are in, right? So after the first point, you go to the second point. The second point says WAM server download and installation step-by-step guide. Now there is a short summary of a short write-up under that same point. Then you have to click on visit training page, which is the button to take you to that particular training page. The same thing that happened in the first point, you are going to see article. So this is a short write-up. Then below that, you are going to see a well-detailed training video. All right, so I'm just going to scroll down here. All right, so let's scroll down here. Alright, so I've scrolled down too much. Alright, so this is the training video right here. Is the training video right here. So if you are done reading the article, you can also click on the training video here. You can see WAM server download and installation. So you can read.
Alright, so here we're talking about WAM server download and installation. Alright, but there are some tips here. The first one here says in order to download and install WAM server on your computer.
You can see all of that. You are going to go through the video. The video is going to guide you. So just follow through in the videos and the article, you're going to find out that at the end you should be able to design any type of website, if it's your business website or a client's website, right? So after that, you click on your back button to go back to the initial page. Then right here you move to the third point, which is short introduction to WordPress. You click on visit training page if you want to. Then this is point 4, point 5, point 6, point 7. There are so many points here, so you can scroll down. You can see right here, this is about search engine optimization. If you want the content of your business website after creating your website to appear at the top of search engine result page, this is actually a guide that's going to train you on how you can do all of that, right? Then this talks about how to create content in your website. You can see all of that. This is a whole lot to take in. All right, then after all of that, you can still visit other related business website design content. You can click on the first one, which is how to generate revenue from a website or blog. Then the next one is how old should my website be before applying for AdSense, when to apply for AdSense, and all of that. All right, so this page is well loaded and it's going to train you on how to design your business website. All right, now take for instance, let's say you are actually visited a particular point and you have a question after the training. Let's say I click on this the second point right here that talks about WAM server download and installation step-by-step guide. Let's assume you've practicalized everything that is being said in the training video below. Right, so let's wait for this to load. Let's assume you've practicalized all of this, but you have some questions. All you need to do is to scroll down to that particular section, that particular page. Then right here you type in your name. So if your name is Josh, you write Josh here, right? Then your email address could be josh12 at gmail.com right here. Then after that, if you don't have a website, you leave this blank. Then you can actually check this radio box if you want to. If you don't want to, you can uncheck the checkbox. Then this is where you can type your question. So you can say thanks for the guide, but I want to ask, alright, so you can just type your questions, blah 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 blah, and all of that. After all of that, you click on post comment, right? Now you're going to wait for that to load. This should be my network right here. I'll click on continue. I'm going to click on, once you click on the post comments, you should post that particular comment right here. Yeah, you can see that your comment is awaiting moderation. Thanks for the guide, but I want to ask. You can see that now. I can immediately you type in this comment right here. I'm going to see that at my dashboard, right? So I'm going to reply you via the email address you entered. So most of the times I might approve your question if it's necessary for this particular post, or if I don't approve, there's no need of me approving. Basically all I just need to do right here is to follow the email address. I'm going to send you a response via email, so I'm going to type a reply. So I'm going to answer your question through the email that you entered right here when trying to ask the question. All right, so basically this is how you can learn how to design your business website. All right, so I'm waiting for your questions. Thank you.